because I don't have an oven. Well, that's going to change now because you can bake everything without an oven. And I'm going to teach you 3 different ways you can bake without an oven. The first method is the sand method. This is an ancient way of baking, and what we are going to do is transfer our sand into our saucepan and preheat it. Now you're going to preheat the sand for 30 minutes and then transfer your proofed bread into this. Cover this with a foil or a napkin so that it can trap the heat, and then you're going to put this on any heat source. It can be your gas stove, your hot plate, whatever it is. As far as it's giving you heat, you're good to go. Be checking your bread and regulate the heat so that it doesn't bend this. Okay, now you have your perfectly baked bread without an oven, and it bakes the bread very well. You can see how the bread looks so good. It's so fresh and hot, and you're going to enjoy this so much. If the sand method will be inconvenient for you, then you can use the salt method. This method is the same as the sand, just that we are using salt. So we are going to preheat the salt, and when you preheat it, you can see the color changes. So I'm going to be baking this vanilla pound cake. I'm going to transfer this into my preheated salt, and we're going to cover this and then let it bake. This method works so well, and within 40 minutes my cake was ready. And in case you're wondering, would the salt affect the cake? No, it does not. But if you have trust issues, you can put a rack on the salt and then put whatever you're baking on it so that it can lift it up a bit. Okay, now this is how my cake looks. It looks so good. Method 3 is the water method, and I'm just going to teach you how to set it up. So you're going to pour in some water, add in your rack, and then put your baking pan on it and bake whatever it is you're baking. Let me know which method you're going to try because you have no